everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are headed to Jackson Dragway. I'm in the 500 and I've got the wife behind me in the 19 GT. We're going to see what we can do in her car tonight, and also we're going to see if we can pull out a good time in the 500 tonight. But guys, we'll see you there. All right guys, so we made it out here. We got out here pretty early. As you can see, not a lot of people out here. It's raining in Jackson, but it's not raining here. Caleb, it rained out at Caleb's house, so I don't know if Caleb's going to make it out here or not. He's talking about it's rained out there, so he don't know. But anyway, we're out here. It's about 7 o'clock. The drag strip goes to midnight, so I'm hoping to get about 4 to 5 passes in this. I'm hoping the weather does stay away from the track, get about 4 or 5 passes out of this, and then try to figure out this car so we can get it 60 foot better tonight. All right guys, so we got us a bite to eat here at the track, and we are about to run the 19, and then as soon as I run the 19, I'm going to come back and I'm going to get the 500, and we are going to run it. So let's get to it. All right guys, so we are going to make a pass in the 19. Hopefully we get a better 60 foot than we got last time we was out here, but we will find out soon enough. Yeah, 853 with a 209 60 foot. So I tried, a couple people on my YouTube channel suggested putting it down in the sport, which I thought as long as I had it in drag mode it wouldn't matter, but I tried it anyway. Alright guys, so we are adjusting the tire pressure in the 500, getting it ready to run, airing up the front tires. I got the back tires lowered down to about 15, airing up the front tires. Look who made it out, Cody. What is going on? Repping the shirt, repping the shirt. And guys, you see that white S550 right there? That white S550 is pretty sweet. We're going to be showing you that here in a little bit also, but we're going to get this ready to run and make a pass in it. Guys, we are going to make a pass in the 500. Hopefully no spinny tonight. I bogged, but she hooked, so that's good. That 60 foot's probably not gonna be that great, but we'll be able to see the mile per hour. I went and looked. The DA is at 2,800, almost 2,900 right now, so not the best DA, but that doesn't matter. I'm working on my 60 foot anyway. We're not gonna get probably a best pass tonight unless I get lucky. All right, not too bad. Alright guys, so we ran a 176 60 foot. Remember I told you we bogged a little bit, so I knew the 60 foot wasn't that great, but we run a 753 at 97 mile an hour. Alright guys, he is just running on wastegate right now. This is his first time running the car since he bought it. So moving out for wastegate. Guys, we are about to make the second pass in the GT500. I've got Todd's car. Toby's gonna drive it. Todd recently got tuned by Daryl, so they're wanting to run against me, so we're gonna run. that felt like a really good pass. All right, guys, so we ran a 165 60 foot, so we improved the 60 foot. We ran a 738 at 97.3 mile an hour. All right, guys, so Corey showed up, so he's gonna make a pass really quick. Dude, that car is moving.
You know the difference between him and Caleb?
What?
They both don't got windshield wipers, but he shows up after it rains.
All right, guys. This car is an Armageddon twin turbo car. What else done to this car?
Armageddon twin turbo, GTX 3582R turbos, 62.5 millimeter, 4 Innovations fuel system, 2018 manifold. That's about it.
About it.
Made 450 on the dyno.
Guys, I cannot tell you the times he's running tonight because he is going to grudge race this car. I can tell you that he's learning it and it is already moving out. So, all right, guys, as you can see, there's the turbos. Very nice kit. This is an Armageddon kit. It's the first time me seeing an Armageddon kit. Really done very nicely. But they're all water cooled.
Water cooled turbos.
So, like I said, I can't tell you what he's running because he's going to grudge race this car, but it is moving. Especially for low boost that you're running tonight. Guys, hopefully I'll have more footage of this car down the road. I really like this car. All right, guys, we got ourselves a little grudge match here. Corey against the Camaro. This is the same Camaro that I ran before. So Corey's gonna run them. Got a little cam, got a little stuff done to it, got a stall. So we're gonna see what we can do. Guys, so me and Corey are about to run. I just want a nice clean pass. That's all I want. All right, guys, here we go. No spin. Let's get a good solid pass. That's all I want. Win or lose, just want a solid pass. Fun again. That's all right. We're gonna let it cool down and we're gonna go again. Still ran a 7.6 at 97 mile an hour. All right, guys, as you can see in the video, I spun, but still, I cut your head off on the tree.
Yeah.
But 760 at 97. I just ran a 730 earlier. So, we're gonna do it again.
You just can't get around me, Ken.
Dude, I was pulling hard on you, man, toward the end of the track. I was coming, but I just didn't have enough real estate.
Whose green light come on?
Huh?
Whose green light come on?
That's all that matters. But hey, guess what though, Corey?
What?
We're gonna do it again. All right, guys, we're gonna run Corey one more time. Hopefully I don't spin. He is my kryptonite with spinning. I can run by myself or anybody else and I won't spin. he goes with that double staging again. Wish he would stop that. It messes my mind up. Alright guys, there we go. There we go. He treated me, I didn't spin, we got a good run, and he got me, barely, but he got me. That was an awesome pass. That's what I've been wanting. But guys, that car is pretty much a race car. But he's got that thing moving, and that's all I wanted. I wanted a good pass. Now, it's probably not my best pass, but I didn't spin, and it was a solid run, and that's all I wanted. Both these cars are tuned by Wengerd Performance, so, you know, gotta love it. Yeah, that pass right there was so close. That's racing. That's the type of racing I love right there. All right, guys, we are going to run Todd's car. This is the car I ran earlier in my 500, and we're going to run it, and we're going to see. He wants me to make a pass in it, so we're going to see what we can do with it. I ran an 804 at 89 mile an hour with a 191.60, so 596 versus 533, so he got me on a tree. All right, guys, here's the passes I made tonight. This one right here is where I balled off the line, left kind of easy, balled off the line. We did a 176.60 with a 753 at 97. Then we got a 165.60 at a 738 at 97. And then we got this is where I spun against Corey, but look at that reaction time. I got him on the reaction time that run. If only I wouldn't have spun that run. But anyway, guys, we ran a 760 at 97, and then right here we did a 164.60, and I ran a 738 at 97. So the two best times 738s, and it's 2500 DA, and it is hot and humid. As you can see, I've got stuff collecting, and it's crazy. So fun night, awesome races, and we're gonna go talk to Corey real quick. All right, guys, here's Corey's run when he ran me. He ran a 743 at 93 with a 161.60 with a 632 reaction, and then I had a 753 reaction with a 738 at 97. So it just goes to show you reaction time and everything comes to play big time in a race. But as you can see in the footage, we were a bumper away, maybe a little bit of a fender, but we were so close. But that was a good run, Corey. That was a very good run. And that's all I wanted. I just wanted a good run where I didn't spin.
Yeah, that was a solid run.
I was asleep a little bit. Hell, we both were asleep.
Yeah, I fell plumb asleep. Hell, you left on me.
Yeah, I left on you.
Like in the 6s and 7s.
Well, when I ran that 504 reaction time,
yeah.
I almost thought I red lit that time.
Right.
And so I didn't want to red light you. And so it led into me sleeping the second round.
What was that, a 43 I run?
You ran a 632. A 632.
No. Reaction, 743.
Yeah, that was me, 753. You were 632.
Yeah, but I'm talking about on my time.
Yeah, you ran a 743 at 93, and I ran a 738 at 97.
What was my 60 foot? My 60 foot fell off.
Yeah, 161
earlier.
Yeah, it was a 161, and then mine was a 164.
Yeah.
Really, what led into that race? I mean, we were so close.
Reaction time.
Yeah, that's what I was telling them.
You're a full. Yeah, you're a full number off.
Yeah.
On the reaction.
Yeah, the reaction time is what threw me off. But dude, that was a close race. That was a close race.
That was a good race.
That was an awesome race. Him and a couple others. I can never get Caleb to run me. Caleb, what are you doing? Let's race. Okay, let's race.
You're called out, Caleb.
Let's race. I don't have race suspension, so get your suspension dialed in and let's race. What we can hear tonight? He run out on slicks in the rain. Yeah, and I'm on it. Where were you at, Caleb? Yep. Anyway, just messing with you, bud. Anyway, guys, I had an awesome night tonight. Had a lot of fun. We're gonna be out here again tomorrow night. He's gonna be bracket racing. You was runner up last weekend.
Second and fourth.
You double entered and got second and fourth in the bracket race. We're gonna be out here tomorrow night, and I think I'm gonna bring this out here and test it in between rounds, and then help him out and running and get some footage from that. But that will be in the next video.
Gonna put her in the winter circle.
Yes, sir. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.